Hello everyone. I wanted to share with you quickly my snake plant. I've cut the whole leaf. I cut it and then I did it into pieces. And this is the results. I put it in water. It took like, I'm not sure, maybe 4-6 weeks to root. And these are all the roots I have here. And just in water. And look at this one. It already has a baby growing. Do you see that? It's so cute. I'm so in love. So yes, so I'm repotting them and I'm going to sell them. I just wanted to share with you another easy plant to root and to grow. I mean, you can root them in water. You can root them in very moist soil as well. It will root, but I prefer to do it the water method, and it's so easy for me because I don't have to be watering every time. I just change the water once a week or every 3 days. So this is the results, and I'm so glad with the results. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.